Best online business for seniors. If you enjoy helping people solve problems, then you may want to consider this online business I'm about to show you. I will explain why now. My name is Dan. I'm 63 years old. If you're like me, you probably have lived more lives than a cat. In my latest life, I started a business helping people learn how to solve problems online. I don't need to worry about money anymore. I'm not rich or anything, but I have enough now to travel the world as I please. The video you are watching is of me and my girlfriend traveling the world together. After I explain why problem solving is the best online business for seniors, I'll take you under the hood of my business and show you how it makes money. And I'll show you exactly how much money my business has made in the last 12 months. Why is this the best online business for seniors? Real life experience matters. Seniors have experienced life, and life is just one damn thing after another. And the longer we live, the more problems we learn to solve. So old people have seen and solved more problems than young people. Plus, we are a little better at spotting pie in the sky promises because we've already heard them all. We know that people exaggerate when they want our money. Seniors have experience doing things. People doing something for the first time waste time and money. What seniors know by experience can help others save time and money. If you share something you've learned by experience that saves people time and money, they will be forever grateful to you. For me, I decided to share my favorite hobby. I love living overseas for less money. I find all these great places to retire in paradise for pennies, and I share it. I decided to share this because it's my favorite hobby in the world. I've been to 70 countries. So sharing what I've learned as I travel the world is a natural subject for me. That is why I suggest that people share how to do their favorite hobby. Here are some examples, but you could share about anything: gardening, growing your own food, remodel your house, muscle cars, handyman, playing the guitar or harmonica, homesteading, dividend income, real estate investments, Bitcoin, war history, politics, criminal law, reducing taxes, van life, financial independence, retire early or fire, mountain climbing, marathoning, bodybuilding, attracting love, yoga, nutrition, health and wellness, tantric yoga, martial arts, stocks and bonds, etc. Questions about how to do things we have done before are being typed into Google or YouTube search engines every second of every day. The key is to share what you have learned by experience so you can save people time and money. Okay, quality of information and personal identification. People always say to me, Dan, there's already somebody online teaching how to wallpaper homes. Don't I need to find a subject that nobody is already doing online? Let me explain why that's not generally a good idea. It could take years to create interest in a subject that is not already online. You want something with an already proven audience online. Why is that? Past success of others on your very topic proves people are already searching on that topic. Proof of a successful growing topic online is better than trying to develop an interest in a new subject. Because there are two parts to success online: quality information and personal identification. So your job is to focus on the quality of the information you create. You just focus on quality of information. If you have good quality, people will watch you instead of other people sharing the exact same topic because they identify with you personally more than the other guy. There are other people sharing what they have learned about retiring cheaply overseas, but there's something about me that you identify with personally. I can prove it too. My average viewer is a man between 45 and 70 years old who identifies with me because of my age, my sex, my attitude, or my personality. They also identify with the way I'm living my life overseas as I travel the world with my girlfriend Chung. Because I keep talking about retiring overseas for cheap, Google and YouTube search engines learn who to recommend my videos to. The key is to manage quality and let the search engines find viewers who are likely to keep watching video after video because they identify with you personally. Okay, so that's why this is the best online business for seniors. Now I'll explain why this business is the best to experience personal freedom in retirement. After that, I'll take you under the hood of my business and show you the money. Why it is the best online business for retirees. The online business I'm going to show you is the information sharing business. Here's why I believe it's the best business for retirees. 1, no inventory. You don't need to import anything from China and ship it to Amazon. You don't need a shipping and receiving department, no returns, no repairs or replacement of physical products, and no investment in a large inventory. Okay, number 2, no delivery costs. When the customer buys, they just download the information you're selling, such as ebooks, newsletters, courses, and they watch your videos. Number 3, no advertising costs. You just post web pages and videos online and people discover you organically in their Google searches. In fact, if your YouTube videos get enough views, YouTube will start paying you each month. Number 4, no employees, no payroll, no hours, no training, no turnover of employees. You are the only person in the business. Number 5, no office expenses, no rent, no mail correspondence, no phone. Just correspond with your customers by email within 24 hours and they'll be more than happy. Number 6, no hours. Just work when you want. You have to immediately respond to customer service requests, but you can create content at your own pace. Number 7, low startup costs. You can get into the business started with almost no money. You just start posting YouTube videos in your information niche. Once YouTube starts paying you for the views, you can use that income to pay for the third-party software we teach how to set up in the course. More on that in a moment. Number 8, no geographical limitations or boundaries. You're free to roam the world and grow the business. You do not need to show up at certain places and times. Number 9, you get to share your favorite hobby. The information business can be about anything, but in the hobby income course, I suggest that you share information about your favorite hobby. Why? Because you already love doing your hobby, so it'll be more fun for you to share that enthusiasm you have for that subject matter. But you could also pick any subject that you know more about than most people. Okay, number 10, no expensive courses. New or existing paid members of my information business have access to my hobby income course that shows over-the-shoulder videos of how I set up my online business. And right now, the hobby income course is a bonus at no extra charge. When membership prices change in the future, existing memberships are frozen at the lower price. Okay, my last 12 months of income. After I show you the last 12 months of income, I'll take you under the hood of my hobby business and show you where the money comes from. Then you can decide if you want to try it for yourself. More on that in a minute. Okay, today's July 4th, 2024. Happy 4th of July to you. Here's the last 12 months of income from July 1st, 2023 through June 31st, 2024. So for the 12 months ending June 30th, 2024, which was 4 days ago, the membership portion of my income was $77,995.18. The other source of income was the money YouTube pays me when people watch my videos. For the same 12 months, ending 4 days ago, YouTube paid me $40,807.46. If you add those two income sources together, you can see that my online hobby made $118,802.64 for the 12-month period ending 4 days ago. But this is not a get-rich-quick business. I've spent thousands of dollars on those before. they turned out to be disappointments. But here is how this one grew slowly for me. Slow growing. This is a make money slow during retirement business, doing something you love with very little risk. If you are like me, it will grow slow and steadily. But there's no guarantee that anyone will make any money. But if you want to try, I have some good news for you. But first, let me give you an idea of how slow it grows. I report income from time to time, and here is what this hobby business made over the last 5 full calendar months. For 2019, you can see YouTube $981 and memberships $2183. So in 2019, I made $3,164. In 2020, the combined income was $38,000. 2021, $66,000. 2022, $66,989, and 2023, $104,566. I don't know what it'll make for 2024. There's still 6 months to go. Stay tuned for that towards the end of the year. One last thing, and then I'll take you under the hood of my business and show you how it works. The Hobby Income course. We're presently celebrating reaching 150,000 YouTube subscribers by giving 150 people discount codes to get 50% off on a lifetime membership to vagabondbuddha.com. The lifetime membership includes my Hobby Income course as a bonus. So my Hobby Income course is my over-the-shoulder course showing you how I turn my hobby into an income. So if you complete my course and do everything I say, you might also be able to quit your job and do only your hobby someday. I can't guarantee that my ideas will work for everyone, but wouldn't it be great if it worked for you? The bad news is that there are only 46 of the discount codes remaining at this moment as I'm typing this. So jump on this right away if you want to get one of the remaining discount codes. Okay, going under the hood of my online business. There's 2 parts to the business. One is my YouTube channel, which is called Vagabond Awake. You can see I have 153,000 subscribers. And then if you click this Manage Videos and click around, you'll see this, which is the date was July 1st, 2023 to January 30th, 2024. Estimated amount 40,807. For whatever reason, they always call that estimated amount, but that's what I got paid for that 12 months ending. So that's the YouTube part of the income. This is the membership page, Vagabond. Let me show you this first. This is vagabondbuddha.com. This is the membership portion of the business. And let's look at what it made for the period July 2023 to June 2024. You can see it made $77,995 for 18. And these are each of the months. Can't see that one, but 2,300, 10,000, 9,100. So you can see that the monthly membership is very widely depending on whether or not you're having a sale, but for the 12-month period ended, it was $77,995. That's where that number comes from. So here's the web page. This part is not part of YouTube. This is my personal web page, vagabondbuddha.com. First thing you should know about is a free ebook. I'm always talking about a free ebook. You come here, click this to get the free ebook. It looks here. It tells you how to do what I do in a very high level sense, so you know what to think about. Put in your name here, or email, sorry, click sign up. I send out emails every Saturday, and it's a really good free resource. I highly recommend it. But then after that, there is the Retired Cheap Reports. There are a number of countries I've been to, and each one of these countries I have one or more reports talking about cost of living in one or more cities. And then I have my YouTube country playlist here. You can watch all the videos in one country if you want. And then my planning reports. These are all the reports that teach you how to plan retiring overseas. This compares country, comparison reports. Income reports talks about what's the business making. Slow travel reports teaches you how to slowly travel the world and save money. And then there's bonus reports that you'll learn about when you watch the benefits of membership. And then there's 2 courses, how to retire overseas and how to make money online. And that's all of the resources all on one page. You just click, for example, if you click Philippines here, just to give you an example, if you click Philippines, boom, that'll take you to all the places we've been in the Philippines, all the cities there, and that's our retiree chief report for each one of these cities. I have about 265 reports, I think, right now in all the different countries and the planning reports and everything. And if you were to click 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗄, which is one of the most popular places to retire in the Philippines, this is the ebook here, and if you remember, you can click here and download it and get that report. Planning, here's an example of different topics. You can go through at your own pace, click the planning and read these titles. And then if you wanted to download one, whatever it is, how to travel the world safely, you would click it here. But once I got so many reports, probably around 200 reports, I don't remember the exact number, but one of my members said to me, Dan, there's so many reports here, I don't know which one to read, in what order, I don't, and so I created this Retire Overseas course. And this is the course that's included in the membership. It's included for paid members, and there's seven lessons, and the first is a syllabus. The next is how to create curiosity about living overseas, designing your dream life, exploratory visits to your dream life, analysis, decision, and escape, preparing for your escape, and how to stay happily retired once you're overseas. And this video here you can watch. It's a syllabus for the whole course, but it's interesting because it organizes. I'll just show you one here. Designing your dream life. So once you're a member, you'll be able to click into these pages, and they have indexes into the subject matter. For example, these are excerpts from the various books, ebooks that you can index into and read those ebooks when you're having that problem. It's kind of like an index into the course. And then finally, there's the hobby income course, which is it's an over-the-shoulders presentation of how I set everything up, the YouTube channel, how I pick my niche, how to set up the web page, all of it. And here's the topics of the course: the business model overview, how to pick your hobby, start telling your story, create your ebook giveaway, email list capture, which I just showed you, and automated email of the free ebook. So 24 hours a day, your webpage will be working for you when you're laying on the beach or whatever. How to repurpose your existing content to create a set of ebooks for your hobby membership, and then membership enrollment, the payment gateway, create your ebook membership catalog. That's the front page I was showing you with all the ebooks. And then create your video sales letter and monetize your growing email list. And then interview, collaborate, interact with your audience, optimize YouTube and your WordPress. So those are the courses that this is the hobby income course to set up everything I'm showing you right now. If you're curious like what a membership costs, you can come here to memberships. This is the price and membership page. This is a registration page, and I'll show you those two now. Here is the price and benefits page. This explains all of the resources that are available to you, and then if you want to buy, there'll be a buy button at the bottom.